From the Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Jacob Riley.
Well, good Sunday evening. Thanks for tuning in with us tonight. As you're getting ready for your work week ahead, you're definitely going to need to know about the forecast because major changes are headed our way. So let's go ahead and get on over to the wall and let you know what those changes are. Tonight, though, a calm and quiet night across the area, rather warm for this time of year. Live and local temperature data is already showing those temperatures still remaining in the 40s, even at 61 still at Lake Allen Henry at 10 o'clock at night in February. Rather unheard of. 53 here in Lubbock at KFYO Studios, and they're in level land sitting at 49 degrees. We won't even hit those temperatures for highs later on this week, but tomorrow another warm day in store for us. Notice down off the Caprock, lower to middle 70s possible, 69 here in Lubbock. Our cool spot though going to be there in Friona tomorrow, coming in at 64 degrees. So that's nothing compared to the cooler weather we're going to see later on this week. The wind going to be a factor once again tomorrow. Notice here around 3:30 in the afternoon for your Monday, winds gusting out of the southwest close to 40 miles an hour there in Lee County and back down towards Gaines County as well, around 26 miles an hour here in Lubbock. Those winds will remain gusty throughout the day and afternoon tomorrow, but then by Tuesday, notice we shift on off with our winds coming out of the north and east as the cold front dips on into our area, and that's going to be the first change of the weather pattern here over the next couple of days. But for tomorrow, an elevated fire risk is in store for us once again, thanks to those gustier wind speeds and the drier conditions across the region. So just be mindful, no outdoor burning is recommended across the region for your Monday. So for what we know right now, precipitation is going to return to the area Tuesday on into Wednesday across the South Plains. Portions of the area are going to see snow. The exact snow totals still are uncertain, but we are beginning to get a better grasp on those numbers for you. And notice here, wind chill values will approach 0 degrees. Some even negative values will be possible across northern portions of the South Plains, especially as we head into Wednesday morning once we do have some snowfall on the ground. So as we take a look at the storm system right now, it's on off the East Coast, but by Monday, it's expected to be arriving here in the South Plains. Notice as we go into Tuesday, though, a cold front does move in. And again, we're going to see some of that precipitation begin to develop Tuesday, lasting most of the day on Wednesday. By Wednesday night, though, notice we do have this trough begin to dig in, and that's really going to help cool us down once again Wednesday night on into Thursday morning. But by Thursday, things will start to clear up across the area. So let's take you through your feel-like temperatures here for your Tuesday. Notice you can see where the cold front is here on your screen, where this purple and light blue meet. That cold front quickly races to the south and west. Notice by noon on Tuesday, the feel-like temperature 8 degrees in Friona. As we continue through time here, notice by 9 o'clock p.m., wind chill values in the single digits to lower teens across the area. Northerly winds could gust upwards of 40 miles an hour at times. By Wednesday morning at 6 a.m., 2 degrees in Friona, 4 degrees here in Lubbock, and a balmy 7 degrees there in Jayton. So it's going to be rather cold across the entire region early Wednesday morning, and partially that is going to be due to the snow cover that we see on the ground. So here's one of our forecast models, the European model. Notice here, this is Tuesday at 8 o'clock in the evening. Snowfall does begin to work its way into the area, and it rapidly expands across the region. By Wednesday at 6 a.m., we continue to see that snow lasting through the day on Wednesday here by noon. Wednesday evening, still seeing it around 6 o'clock in the evening, and finally clearing out Wednesday night. So that's quite a bit of time frame there with snow across the area. NAM model, kind of the same story. We begin to see that snow move on into the area by Wednesday morning. That's when the heaviest of the snow will fall, and then clearing out once again as we head into Wednesday night and Thursday morning. So this is one model we're going to take a look at. The NAM model shows around 8 inches of snow here in Lubbock, really a heavy swath right through the central South Plains region. The next model, the European model, shows around 6 here in the hub city and some lighter amounts on off towards our south and east. But notice the GFS. It's been our outlier this whole time, and it shows absolutely nothing through the middle of the area. This is the only model now not showing snow. So we're going with the forecast that we have the chance to see around 3 to 5 inches of snow here in the purple. That does include the city of Lubbock. Dark blue areas 2 to 4. That includes places like Levelland down towards Lamesa and back towards Hobbs. Portales and Clovis is in the 1 to 2 inch range, but really the entire area has the chance to see some of that snow. Travel impacts, high major impacts here across a good majority of the South Plains there in red over the next couple of days. So Tuesday night through Thursday morning, that's when the highest travel impacts will be. Accumulating snow possible. Again, we're still trying to fine tune that exact forecast track across the area. And again, remember the 4 Ps: plants, pets, people, and pipes. Make sure all those are taken care of. Overnight tonight, though, rather mild, only getting down into the upper 30s and lower 40s. We're going to go ahead and issue a severe weather alert day, though, for Tuesday and Wednesday due to that high volume of snow expected, Matthew. And again, high travel impacts will be expected. The snow is going to be a heavy, wet snow. Once it falls, it's not really going to be icy on the roads, but once we get a lot of traffic going over it, it melts that snow. That snow then refreezes, and it just really turns the whole city into an ice rink. So really just be mindful of that. Don't get out Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, unless you just absolutely have to.
Give me the 4 Ps again.
Pets, plants, pipes, and people. Make sure your exposed pipes are wrapped up. Check on your neighbors. Make sure they have adequate heat. Bring in those furry friends. Make sure they're staying warm. And again, just stay safe, stay warm during this event because it's going to be cold.
Okay. Yeah, I saw that 17, so it's going to be cold and possibly snow.
Cold. Yes.
It'll be a
winter is coming.
A severe alert.